What is up, guys? Financial Francisco here with another video, and today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be talking about what makes money be money. So it seems kind of intuitive as to what money is. It's obviously something that you use to be richer, be wealthier, buy stuff, pay people for goods and services. But the definition, might you believe it or not, is actually a little bit more complex and developed. However, it is still very intuitive and pretty easy to understand. So anyway, firstly, what is money? Money is an asset. It can be in the form of cash, or for example in a bank account where it's just a number. It's not physical, but you have the ability to make it physical, right? In the form of cash. And so there are two types of tangible things that can be considered money. First, and the one that probably the majority of us are familiar with, is fiat money, which is where the medium through which you're considering money has no intrinsic value. So for example, a bill, like a $1 bill, $5 bill, 10, 20, those bills, the paper itself doesn't have any intrinsic value. In other words, a $100 bill, that material isn't really worth $100, but the value is a value that society gives it. We all agree that this bill is $100, this other bill is 20, this other bill is 10, so on and so forth. Paper currency. So in essence, fiat money can be paper currency. Then the second type of money is where that money, the medium through which you're considering it money, as a payment for goods and services or exchange or whatever, that thing has value of its own. So for example, gold and silver. And now that we got that out of the way, we're going to talk about the three things that makes money qualify as being money. So these three things are arguably more important than the other two. So anyway, first qualifier of what makes money money is that it can be used as a medium of exchange. And this one is probably the most intuitive one, kind of obvious. So if something is money, it must be used to exchange something for something. So for example, my $10, I can exchange my money for food at Chick-fil-A, for example. Comment down below what your favorite combo from Chick-fil-A is, by the way. The second qualifier of money is that it has store of value. So this term is a little bit weird and not necessarily so obvious as to what it means, but it basically means that a $10 bill that I can spend right now, I can spend it just the same tomorrow if I decide not to spend it right now. So it's basically being able to save money, is what store of value means. And the third and last qualifier for what makes money money is that it serves as a unit of account. And now this one is probably the most important one because it dives into the quantitative things about money. So money being used as unit of account is used for accounting purposes, obviously, hence the name, and other quantitative purposes. So when you calculate net worth, income, debt, loss, gains, all of those things that involve money being as a quantitative measure, that is what unit of account is for. And then, for example, the quality of being a unit of account kind of also goes hand in hand with the medium of exchange, because you don't just exchange ideas, you exchange a number of things. And store of value, well, I want to make sure that my number of things keeps being this same number of things in the future. So all of those things tie into one another, and you can't really have one without having the other. If not, it's not considered money. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to me down below. At the time of this recording, I have about 96 subscribers, I believe. Help me hit 100. If we already have over 100, help me hit my next milestone, which is 200 subscribers. My 1-year anniversary with this channel is going to be August. So if we can hit 200 subscribers or even more by that date, I would greatly appreciate you guys. Check out this video, check out this video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.